How long's this been going on?
Nothing is going on. Right, you're always so suspicious. Some mate.
When have I been suspicious? Oh, yeah, when you're stashing all them sweets.
What sweets?
Ages ago. You said that it was for Billy's soup kitchen. This has been months, hasn't it? Billy needs to know.
Look, no, please. You'll just make it worse. Right, when he worries, he's all over everything. Stressing, controlling. Look, I won't do it again.
Mate, if you're struggling with your health and stuff, then you need to talk to someone.
Yeah, well, I'll talk to you. Amy. Amy!